You think your dreams feel far off, but what actually is happening, you don't even know you are already in the journey of your dreams. Simply by thinking about what your dream is, you are already beginning to manifest it. But this card is going to show you that you're possibly overthinking it. Today, we're exploring the Catch Your Dream card from the Oracle of the Lake deck. It's about understanding what your energy is doing right now. This card shows up when you're overthinking things or over questioning things. Like, is this really the right direction for me? Do I really want this dream? Maybe you're thinking it's hard. Maybe things aren't falling into place because really, most people think the issue is not about if the issue is about not seeing the dream unfold exactly as they saw it. Step one, step two, steps three, easy peasy. This card is showing you your dreams are within reach, that you are overthinking. It's not about fixing every step of the way and having things perfectly align the way you want them to. The universe is rearranging itself for your highest good. So your job when this card shows up and appears is about shifting your energy, shifting your mindset. This is an air card, which shows that your mindset um, is imbalanced. You may be thinking negatively. You may be overthinking things because when our mindset is in the best alignment for you, there's a lot of clarity and there's a lot of flow. Things just happen naturally, easy. Like you feel you were so lucky and blessed because your mind is appearing that way, making things appear that way. You are blessed. When you're imbalanced, there's a negativity around it. So pause and observe what's actually happening for yourself right now in one of the manifestation processes of your dreams. Ask yourself, where am I in this pattern? Am I thinking positively or negatively? And if it's negative, what do I need to shift in order for things to start moving again? And if I make that shift, if I trusted in this, what would happen? You don't need more effort. You need more alignment. There are more insights and information in the description, as well as a call to action for you about the transformation of the Oracle of the Lake, inspired by Lake Winnipesaukee, which is the smile of the Great Spirit. And it's waiting for you in the description, and that will allow you to catch your dreams. I'll see you in the next card.